Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And in today's video, we'll be talking about whether or not Tortoise Acquisition, aka Hyliion stock, is the next Tesla. And there's many things that people miss about this company. They think it's just like Tesla or just like Nikola, but there's a few things that we're going to need to clarify in today's video just to help you make the right decision whether you decide to invest into this company or not. But before we get into the video, you guys already know what I'm going to ask. If you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel, I'd really appreciate it a ton. Alright guys, so starting with the video, Tortoise Acquisition, aka Hyliion stock, many people claim that it's like the new Tesla or the new Nikola, and if you have seen the prices of those stocks, they have absolutely skyrocketed in the near past. Just recently, if we take a look at, for example, Tesla, in the last 3 months, it doubled in price, in share price. In the last year, it's up 337% in share price, over $1,000 per share. And many people are like, wow, maybe this stock, Tortoise Acquisition, may be the new Tesla, so maybe I'll buy it at $32 and I'll sell it at $1,000 in a few years. Well, whether that may be true or not, there's a few things that you need to understand. Hyliion stock, or Tortoise Acquisition, focuses on creating electric or hybrid powertrains for trucks. They're just focusing on this niche market right now. They're not focusing on creating the next Tesla cars, the next Tesla cars that anyone could drive, just electric cars for the average consumer. They're focusing on creating powertrains for trucks, and that's something you have to understand because it's not exactly what Tesla is doing, and you just need to know that it's not the same exact market that they're in. Even though they're in the electric cars market or electric vehicles market, they're not exactly competing for the same audience, I would say. Tesla is moving into trying to do trucks and stuff, from what I've heard, but that is something that they aren't doing yet, but they may be competing with a Hyliion stock in the near future. But just how I see this stock, Tortoise Acquisition or Hyliion stock, however you prefer to call it, I see this as a huge hype stock because it's been all over social media for the last few weeks. I've seen so many YouTube videos about it. I've seen so many social media posts about it. People hyping it up, saying it's the next Tesla, buy in now while the price is low, and it's going to skyrocket. And the truth is, this stock still has a lot of unknown factors. We have no idea what the potential of this stock is yet because it's fairly new to the market. And if you take a look at my portfolio, I did buy like $100 worth of this stock. I'm down around 2% on it. And that was just mostly just to see if I could ride the hype train on this stock, because that is what I currently think it is. I currently think that the stock is just moving up based on hype. The more videos I need to, the more TikToks, the more Instagram posts, the more people are talking about it, the higher the price is probably going to go. It's going to be maybe, I don't know, I can't predict the future, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I feel like it may be sort of something similar to a pump and dump, where it's going to get pumped up like it is right now, and then dump sooner or later, which is going to cause a lot of investors to lose money. But the people who got in the beginning are going to actually make a lot of money. So I think Tortoise Acquisition is currently just based on hype, and if you are interested in the actual company, you can buy shares whenever you want. I'm not a financial advisor. But what I would personally do is I would wait this out. I'd wait until all the media, all the nonsense online is out the door about this stock. It's all over. I'd rather wait until like maybe a month or two from now when no one's talking about it. It's not being talked about as much as it is now, at least. And I could see how the price of the stock is currently sitting at and see if it's a value for the company that I'm willing to pay. And let's say the stock jumps down to maybe $15 per share after 2 months, and you see that it's consistently sitting there, and you firmly believe in the company, you really believe that they're going to expand and be great in their own target market, then go for it, buy your shares. But you can buy them now, you can buy them later, but I would personally, this is just my opinion, I'd personally just buy Hyliion stock after the hype is over. Unless you're trying to short-term trade it, trying to do a speculative investment where you buy into the stock and you're just hoping for the hype to go up, sort of how I'm doing. I'm thinking maybe, whoa, maybe Tortoise acquisition is going to go up to $40, $50 in the next few weeks. If people keep talking about it, I'll just sell and get out with a nice profit. But I'm not really holding the stock for the long term, so that's what I recommend. If you're holding for the long term, I'd recommend waiting it out. You can buy whenever you want, of course. I'm not telling you what to do, but I would personally wait it out a little bit. I maybe buy a few shares here, but I'd wait it out, and then if I see that the company is at a price I'm willing to pay for it, then I'd buy the majority of my shares there and just wait for the long term to see how this company does. But if you're looking to just ride the hype train, do a speculative trade or investment on the stock, for sure, go for it, buy it whenever you want. Just hope that it goes up, because that's the best you can do. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys found some value in that. If you guys did, make sure to smash that like button below. So thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.